All right, we'll start with the prarthana. Who wants to say the prarthana? Suraksha Moday, you can say, to get well soon.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam
Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva.
Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryashu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Vardhe. Ma'am, I can't say it.
Can you see?
Yeah, it's fine. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Sahana Vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvi Navaditamastu, Mavid Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay. And the next one, please.
Patami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada. Dhyayami Sanskritam Samayak Vande Sanskritam Mataram.
Okay, so we'll go through. Okay, here, I just wanted to ask. Saraswati Namastubhyam, Siddhir Bhavatu. What lakara is this? Just a revision.
Lot lakara.
Yeah, Lot lakara. This is a prarthana, right? Lot lakara. Okay. I just saw that and I thought I'll ask you. Okay, so we have done the revisions and today we'll do the vibhakti, introduction of vibhakti. And then we'll do a pratyaya, the suffix called tumun. And then if we have time, we'll go through yatra tatra yavat tavat. Last time I had sent you the slides. I don't know how many of you have seen this, but yeah, all these twin sentences. And then if time, we'll go to that story. We don't usually go till there. We'll see how it goes. All right, so first vibhakti parichaya. So now we'll start from the beginning about Vakyam, Padam, and Aksharam. So what is Vakyam in English? Sentence. Padam?
Word.
Aksharam?
Letter.
Letters. Okay. So Vakyam is Padanam Samuhaha. So it is a group of words. Padam is Aksharanam Samuhaha, group of letters. And then we have two kinds of words in Sanskrit. It's Nama Padam and Kriya Padam. All right. We group the words in Nama Padam and Kriya Padam. Only two kinds. Right. So now we'll go next for the Nama Padam. Nama Padam is noun. Yeah. Nama Padam is called Subantam as well because it starts from Su, and that's the reason it's called Subantam. Right? Last time we did this, right? Subantam. Nama Padasya Gunaha, the qualities of Nama Pada. So what do we have with Nama Pada? Can anybody say? It's here.
Linga, Vachana, and Vibhakti.
Yeah. So Linga, how many lingas? And vachanam? You remember these, right? It's back of the mind every time. And vibhakti. Vibhakti, we have 7 plus 1. So we have 7 vibhaktis, and the one is not a vibhakti. It's just we add it. All right. Now, kriyapada. Kriyapada is a verb. Yeah. The quality of kriyapada, what do we have? Purusha, vachanam, and lakara. All right. So anytime when we have namapada, we have to think about linga, vachana, and vibhakti. Right? In a sentence, when we get a namapada, we have to think of what linga it is, what vachana it is, and what vibhakti it is. And with kriyapada, it's purusha, vachana, and lakara. So prathama purusha, madhyama purusha, uttama purusha, ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana, and lakaras. So we have learned, till now we have learned lat, lot, drit, lang, lakara. Yeah. So anybody wants to just revise what is lat, lot, lut, and lang?
Lat lakara is the present tense. Lot is for ordering or pratana. Drit is like future tense. And lang lakara is for past tense.
Yeah. Do you want to say the dhatu and the lat lakara?
Dhatu, okay, for pat dhatu,
Yeah.
it would be patati. Lat lakara would be patati. Lot lakara would be patati.
Agnya.
Patat.
Tu.
Patatu. Okay.
Patatu.
Patatu. Drit lakara would be patishyati. Lang lakara would be apatat.
Samyak. Yeah. So that's how we will remember. And then we can say, okay, lat lakara is patati. So what is it? Patati, patata, patanti, patasi, patata, patata, patami, patava, patama. So if we have that in memory, it will be easy for anything, right? So memorization is actually important in Sanskrit. That's how our brain memory comes, because of that. Increases, I mean. All right. So we know the qualities of namapada and kriyapada. So whenever we have kriyapada, first in the sentence, we find the kriyapada and we can know the purusha, vachana, and lakara in kriyapada. Now, vibhakti, role of vibhakti in a sentence. What is the role of a vibhakti in a sentence? So vibhaktis convey the context of the sentences. Okay, I'll just convey. It indicates a word which is also called pratipadika. So when a vibhakti is there, the pratipadika, the root of the word is there. So it's like balakaha, janani, phalam, or all these are words in a vibhakti. It's these are all like prathama vibhakti.
Mahoye, one question. I thought the pratipadika was, for instance, not balakaha, but balaka.
Yeah, balaka is the root. All right.
Right.
So here vibhakti is balakaha. So it's prathama vibhakti.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
vibhakti. It is vibhakti, not pratipadika. We are talking about vibhakti. All right. So it's balakaha. And then it shows a relationship with the verb. So when we do an action, it shows the relationship. Like vibhakti this is vibhakti, not the namapada or something, right? So it shows like Ramam Namami. Whom am I praying? Ramam Namami. So that vibhakti is there. That's a dvitiya vibhakti here. Ramam. All right. And then it indicates a relationship with the other objects. So you know that Ramasya Patni, Sitayaha Patihi. So when you see this, you know what it is. So vibhakti is not a big thing for you now, because It's been introduced already. This Ramasya Patni is Shashti Vibhakti. Right? Only thing is that we haven't gone through the names of the Vibhaktis. That's it. Indicates a relationship with a particular word. So, like Ramaya Namaha, whom I am praying to Rama. Balakena Saha, with the boy. That way. And then we have this Padasya Nirmanam. Okay, so we go with the word Padasya Nirmanam, the construction. So what is Padam? It is Prakritihi plus Pratyayaha. So Prakritihi is the root word. That's what. It's a root word plus suffix. Okay, so a word in Sanskrit has two parts. One is the root word and one is the suffix. All right. So what happens here? Namapadam is Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. So Prakritihi in Namapadam is called Pratipadika. All right. Are you getting it? So in Namapadam, the root word is called Pratipadika. And plus Supratyaya, when we add a Pratyaya, that is a suffix, so we get Balaka. Balaka. That way. All right, and Kriyapadam as well. For Kriyapadam, the root word is called Dhatu. The Prakriti is called Dhatu. All right, and the Pratyaya which we add is called Ting Pratyaya. All right, so this Pata is Dhatu and Tu is the Ting Pratyaya. Right? So Patatu, Patati, Patanti, all these are that one is Ting Pratyaya. That's the suffix. So Supratyayaha, this is wrong, are called as Vibhakti or Vibhakti Pratyayaha. Okay, suffixes added to the root words. So it's called Vibhakti Pratyayaha. All right, because it's added to the root. So it is Vibhakti Pratyayaha. Now we'll go in this. So this is Pratipadikam plus Vibhakti Pratyayaha is Namapadam. All right. So Namapadam equals Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. It's like a maths. Yeah, I'm going with plus and all right. So the Pratipadika here is Rama. All right. Like what you said, Fran Moday, Rama. And then Supratyaya, Su. If we put Su, it will be Ramaha. This there is some like we have this as Vibhakti and Vachana as well, but we are not learning in this level. We just this is just an introduction for that, but we are not going through this Rama plus Su is equal to Ramaha. We are not going this, luckily. We are just going through Ramaha, Ramaha, Ramam, Phalasya, all these ones, right? This is just an introduction for you to know what Supratyaya is. Like Rama plus Jas, when it comes as Jas, it's Ramaha. Rama plus is Ramam. Phala plusya is Phalasya. These are easy ones. This is a bit confusing, but we don't have to think about it. It's just an introduction. So here, Pratipadikam, if you take only Pratipadikam, a word can't be formed. Like
Maybe
if you put
Pratipadikam or Pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam. Sorry, Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam. Right? Pratipadikam, when you take only that word, that root, a word can't be formed. Can a word be formed with Pat? Aham Pat. No, it doesn't happen. So it has to be added to a Pratyaya. Then only you can say, okay, Patati, Patataha, all those. And same with Supratyaya as well. Same with Pratyaya as well. You can't make a word only with Pratyaya. Yeah, you need to add this one, Pratipadikam. So they both go together. All right. Now, Kriyapadam is dhatu plus ting pratyaya. We had gone off in all these ones before. I'm just saying it through vibhakti, on a point of view, vibhakti point of view. So patati, pat plus a plus ti, patati. Patishyati, pat plus e plus syati, patishyati. All right. So that's some formulas here. Patitavan, that is tavatu pratyaya. So it's pat plus tavatu is patitavan. We went through this, right? Patitavan, patitavati. Now you can see that it's a tavatu pratyaya. We will go detail with this pratyaya as well later. All right. And that's the same thing again. With only dhatu, we can't make a word. With only pratyaya, we can't make a word. So both of them have to complement each other. Then only we can do it. Now, Namapadam, Pratipadikam plus Supratyaha. Supratyaha, this is the division of Supratyaha. We have 7 vibhaktis. Actually, one of you can read this instead of me saying everything. Yeah. Divya Mahodaya, you can please.
Vibhakti. Namapadam is Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. Supratyaya Vibhajanam. 7 Vibhaktiyaha.
Yeah. You know what I was asking. That's why I thought I would read this.
Sapta. Sapta Vibhaktiyaha. Trini Vachanani. Vibhaktiyaha. Ekavinshatihi. Sapta into Trini Rupani. Plus Trini Sambodhana Rupani. Vibhakti Pratyayaha. Every Pratipadika forms have 21 forms. Sambodhana is same as Prathama Vibhakti. That's not a little.
Okay. Fran Moday, did you understand what this whole slide is about? Yeah, can you please explain?
So the Namapadam, the root word is composed of 2 parts, the Pratipadikam and the Supratyaya, which entirely makes it Subantam or Namapadam. And it can be seen in 21 forms in the different vibhaktis that contains from 1 to 7 Eka or Saptami vibhakti, but there's one extra addition of the Sambodhana, and because we have Trini Vachanani, Vachanani, we will have these 21 different forms.
Suraksha Moday, did you understand?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Okay, we'll go through that later. All right, so it's easy. It's not a difficult one. We'll go through this. See, now the types of vibhaktis, we have 7. All right, Saptavidaha Santi. All right, now Suraksha Mohoday, can you please read this?
Yeah. So, Pratama Vibhakti, Karta, Ramaha, Sita, Phalam.
Okay, so Prathama Vibhakti is Karta. Karta means who does it, right? So it's Ramaha, either Sita, Phalam. These are the good examples. That's why we always put Ramaha or Balakaha in the first one. Okay, then comes Sambodhana. Sambodhana is like calling someone. So it's like, hey Rama, hey Sita, hey Phala. right? We call them. Okay, Suraksha Modayan, Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma, Ramam, Sitam, Phalam. Then Tritiya Vibhakti, it's either by or with. So Ramena, Sitaya, Palena. Chaturthi Vibhakti, 4. Ramaya, Sitaye, Palaya. Sitaye, Palaya. Panchami Vibhakti, from. Ramat, Sitayah, Palat. Then Shashti Vibhakti, off. So it is Ramasya, Sitayah, Phalasya. Saptami Vibhakti, in, on. So Rame, Sitayam, Phale.
Okay, right? I think Panchami should be Sitaya. This is wrong. Sitaya. All right. So what this is to form a sentence, we use these vibhaktis. All right. So if we say by or with Rama, Ramena. All right. For Rama, Ramaya. From Rama, Ramat. Of Rama, Ramasya. In or on Rame. All right. So when we form a sentence, we use all these vibhaktis. So when somebody says Ramaya, we should know that, oh, it's Chaturthi Vibhakti, Ekavachana. That comes later on when you form a sentence and we ask what Vibhakti, what Vachana it is and all. So these are the 7 plus 1 Vibhakti. All right. So we'll go to the next one. Did you all get this?
Yes, Mahoday.
We'll go to the next one. This is called Akaranta Pullinga because Akaranta, it ends with a. The Pratikpadikam of Ramaha is
Rama.
Rama. So it ends with a. So it's Akaranta. Akara Anta. And it's Pullinga. So now with Vibhaktis, we'll go through that. Okay. So what happens here? Pratama Vibhakti, it's Kaha Ke. The question what comes is Kaha Ke. And we have gone through all these. Kaha, Kim, Kena, Kasmai, Kasmat, Kasya, Kutra. We have gone all through this. So now you know what Vibhaktis they are. I remember Sushila Mohoday saying, oh, that is Shashti Vibhakti. That is, and I used to say, it's okay, we'll learn that. So now we'll go through all these names of the Vibhaktis. But we know everything, however. All right, so Prathama Vibhakti, Kaha Ke. Kaha, you know what the question is. Kaha, Ramaha. That is
Who?
Karta. All right, Dvitiya Vibhakti, we ask Kim. So Ramam, right? And that is karma. Karta and karma, already. Then we have Tritiya Vibhakti as Kena. Kena by Kai, Kena or Kaihi, by or what. That is Upakaranam, like instrumentive case. Something to have. Chaturthi Vibhakti, Kasmai Kebhyaha. It's called Danam. So, for, to give. Panchami Vibhakti, Kasmat Kebhyaha. That will be Apadanam. These are all the prayogas. So it is Ramat, it's from. All right. Shashti Vibhakti, it's Kasya Kesham. It's Sambandham, the relationship. Ramasya, of. And Saptami Vibhakti, it's Kutra. Kutra is Sthalam, that is like locomotive, where, a place. Rame, or in and on. Yeah. So we have all these ones. We'll go through this again and again till we get used to. All right. So now here, what I have done is there is a shloka in Ramaraksha Stotram. If you know Ramaraksha Stotram, you will know this. One of you can read this. Anybody? Fran Mode, you want to read this? You can read it slowly.
Thank you. Ramo Rayamanihi
Rajamani.
Sada
Rajamani.
Rayamani
Mm,
Hi Tata
mm,
Vijayate
mm,
Ramam
mm.
Ramesham
Ramesham.
Ramesham
Mm,
Bhaje
mm,
Ramena
mm,
Pihata
mm,
Nishacha
mm,
Racha Muhu
mm,
Ramaya
mm,
Tasmai Namaha
mm,
Ramat Nasti
mm, mm,
Paraya Na Parataram
mm,
Ramasya
mm,
Dasosmyaham Dasosmyaham
mm,
Rame
mm,
Chittalayas Sada
mm,
Bhavatu Me
mm,
Tho
mm.
Ramam Mamudhara.
Okay. So what did you see in this shloka?
Different vibhaktis.
Mm. There are all the 7 plus 1 vibhaktis in this shloka. Did you see that? Ramo Rajamani Sada. Ramaha. That is
Prathama.
so it becomes Ramaha Rajamani Sada. Ramaha is Pratama Vibhakti. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Ramam Bhaje.
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. Ramena Bihata Nishacharachamu. Ramena
Dvitiya.
Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Chaturthi.
Raman Nasti. That is Ramat Nasti. That is again a Sandhi. Raman Nasti. Parayanam Parataram. Ramasya.
Shashti.
Dasosyaham. Rame Chittalaya Sada. Rame.
Saptami.
Sada Bhavatu. Bhorama Mamuddhara. Bhorama
Sambodhana.
Hey Rama. We can call as Bho as well. We'll go into Sambodhana later. So if you learn this shloka, you will remember all the vibhaktis. So it's easy. Okay, what is what? So usually we tend to get confused with Ramaya and Ramat. Is it for or with by or to? For or to? That always gets confused. When you see this shloka, it is easier. So what's the meaning of this? Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. I contemplate on Sri Rama, that one, Ramam Ramesham Bhaje, who is the jewel among the king. Ramo Rajamani Sada. Sada Vijayate, who always emerges victorious. Right? And who is the Lord of Sita Devi. I salute Sri Rama who destroyed the mighty armies of the demons. Nishachara Chamuhu. Nishachara means Rakshasas. Nishachara means the one who wanders at night. And who wanders at night are Rakshasas. Not nowadays, but at that time. Chamuhu is army. All right. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. I salute to you, Rama. Raman nasti parayanam parataram Ramasya dasosyaham. That is, there is no greater refuge than Sri Rama. I am humble servant of Sri Rama. Ram me chittalaya sada bhavatu me bho Rama mamuddhara. Let my mind ever meditate on Rama. O Sri Rama, kindly grant me salvation. Right? So that's the stotra we have. And it's easier to learn the vibhaktis in here. We have same in Krishna as well. When Rama is there, why not Krishna? So Divyamode, do you want to just read?
Sure. Krishno rakshatu no jagat traya guruhu Krishnam namasyamaham Krishnenamara shatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samudhitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati sarvametat akilam He Krishna rakshasva mam.
Can you please read the meaning too?
May Krishna, the Guru of the three worlds, protect us. I bow to Krishna. By Krishna, the enemies of the Devas or Asuras were killed. Salutations to that Krishna. From Krishna has this entire world emanated. I am Krishna's servant. In Krishna stays this entire universe. O Krishna, protect me.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So this is from Mukundamala Stotram. If you know Mukundamala Stotram, you will know this. All right. So next is Sambodhana. I went to Sambodhana because Prathama Vibhakti we almost know about the Karta.
This one, first one, Krishna is in the first Vibhakti.
Krishno Rakshatu. Krishna Rakshatu.
Krishna Rakshatu. Next is Krishnam is the Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Krishnam
Namasyamaha. So Krishnam is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. Krishnena is the Tritiya Vibhakti. Then Krishnaya is 4, that is Chaturthi. Krishnat is Panchami.
That will be Krishnat Eva.
Krishnat Eva. Then Krishnasya is Shashti Vibhakti. Krishna is Saptami. Hey Krishna.
Yeah. Confirmed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are nice shlokas, you know, it's easy to learn the grammar. When you have such type of shlokas, it's easy to learn. In Sanskrit, that's what we have, so many shlokas to learn. Even with lakaras, the 10 lakaras what we have, there is a 2-line shloka. If you learn that, that's enough. You will remember all the lakaras. So that way it's very nice. All right. Sambodhana. Now, so Sambodhana also referred to as Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. Some people say that. They don't just say Sambodhana. They say Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. It's a subset of Prathama Vibhakti and it's not a separate Vibhakti. All right. It's used to address somebody, like what we say, Bho Rama, Hey Krishna, that way. So it can be preceded by Bhoho. We can just say Bhoho for anybody. Like we don't have to say Hey Rama. We can say Bhoho. If somebody is in front of us, we can just call them Bhoho.
It's like saying hey.
Hey, yeah. But in Sanskrit, we don't have anything, what do you call, like disrespecting someone, something like that. There's no word. So whatever you say, like even if you say Tvam, it's a respectful word. Even if you say Bhavan, it's a respectful word. Both of them are. So there's nothing which is disrespectful in Sanskrit, because that language is only so polite. So hey, here, hey, and Ray, we can call Ray as well. There are some, I think there are some, this one where it says Ray for calling, and Aye as well. So these are all some of the things which we call it in Sambodhana. So if anybody, any of these come in a sentence, we should know that it's Sambodhana. Okay, clear about Sambodhana? So here, Ekavachana, in Ekavachana, Ramaha, Rama, Bho Rama, He Rama. So we can call as Rama as well. Even when we call Rama, the Pratipadikam, it is Sambodhana. Like if you want to call somebody Rama, it is enough. Like for example, for if there's a person Arunaha, his name is Arunaha, we can call Aruna. That's Sambodhana. And for Sita, for Strilinga, Site, you might have heard in Ramayana or somewhere, Rama calling Sita, Site, Site. That's the Sambodhana. Hey, Site. So for Lata, Late, we can call like that. So for Divya Mohoday, it will be Divye.
Yeah, actually, I mean, I think in most of the South Indian states and all, the way people call each other, that would be like with A only.
Yeah.
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 North, when you go towards North, I think they say like Divya would be called as Divya.
Yeah.
And here, everybody calls it Divya.
Divye. For Suraksha also, Surakshe. Fran Mohoday, I don't know. Actually.
And my name is actually
Francisca.
Francisca. So Francisque.
Francisque. That's perfect. For me, it will come here. Saraswati. Usually we say E karanta. Strilinga always comes as E, or most of the time. There might be some exceptions, but yeah. So Saraswati. For me, Jayashri, it comes. So Saraswati. Right? For Sambodhana, we call Saraswati. So mine will be Jayashri, not Jayashri. Yeah. And Phalam, Phala. Right? So Napumsakalinga, some like, what's the living one? Mitram. For Mitram, can call Hey Mitra or Mitra. Napumsakalinga. And in Dvivachana, Bahuvachana, same as Prathama Vibhakti. Hey, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Rama, Ramo, Rama. All right, next, what do I have? Okay, this one. Okay, I didn't take this out. So can we do this exercise? First, Fran Mohoday, Divya Mohoday, Suraksha Mohoday. What will we see?
I am trying not to look at the right corner.
No,
So
green.
yes, but I have to.
Ramaha is the word. Mam uddharaha. Uddhara. Mam uddhara. So what is the Sambodhana for Ramaha?
Rama.
Rama. Yeah.
Rama. Mam Dhara. Or Bho Rama. Or He Rama.
So there's no visarga. No visarga. It's only Rama. Yeah. Okay. Divya Mohoday.
He Mahodaya. Okay. Re Mahodaya. Atra agachati.
He Mohodaya, Re Mohodaya, Bho. It's nice to say just Mohodaya as well. That's why we call Mohodaya. Mohodaya, Mohodaye. We call, for female, we call Mohodaye. Why? Sita, Site. Mahodaya, Ya, Akaranta. So, Mahodaye. We call Mahodaye. We do this every time, but we don't know why. Now we can know that it's Sambodhana. Yeah. Suraksha Mahodaye. Janakah aham adhya vidyalayam na gacchami.
Janaka.
Hmm.
Janaka aham adya vidyalayam na gacchami.
We can say Hey Janaka as well.
Hey. Okay.
It's not a disrespectful thing. Hey, calling hey.
Yeah.
All right. Can you translate this, please, Suraksha Moday?
Ham adya vidyalayam na gajati.
Gacchami.
Sorry, gacchami. So I won't be coming to school adya today.
Mm.
Okay.
Right. Where is Karthik Modaya?
Oh, so he has tabla exam tomorrow. So he is studying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not a problem. Fran Moday.
Are we doing only Sambodhana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sambodhana.
Mahoda.
Working. So we know, we get familiar.
No, yes, I was just confused whether I had to pick other vibhaktis. So, Mahodaye, Griha Karyam, Asit Va, like Mahodaye,
Astiva.
Astiva. But it's still in past, right? Did you do your homework or do you do your homework?
Astiva. So what is it?
Astiva, it's
Asti,
lat lakara.
lat lakara. Present tense.
But
Are you
I don't know
coming?
how to translate it. Did you
Is
do
there
your
homework? Is there any homework?
is. Is.
Yeah.
Their
Yes,
homework,
sir.
not any, there's no any here, but is there homework?
Now I get it.
Yeah. Divya Moday.
Amba bhojanam dadati. He ambe bhojanam dadati.
Here say we can call Amba as Amba as well. You can see some of the probably shlokas, it says only Amba. I don't remember any shlokas now, but yeah, it says only Amba. Ambe as well we have it. Suraksha.
Please give me food.
Yeah. Yeah. This is again a lakara, right? So if we see any sentence and if we start making dividing it into what it is, first when we see here what is kriya pada, what is karma pada, what is kartrupada, and then when we see what lakara is this, what purushavachana is it, what, then we will get familiarized with it. We won't forget, because we'll be doing this again and again, right, with every sentence. Then it's easier. Suraksha Moday.
Putri uttishtatu. Sorry, Putri uttishtatu.
So when we say here, we have to say Putri uttishtatu.
Putri.
Pronouncing is very important here, the Dirgha and Rasva. Otherwise, it will become the same. Putri uttishtatu. So while speaking, we need to give a bit of gap and then we have to say it. That way of speaking is also a bit important in Sanskrit. Yeah. So Putri uttishtatu. Again, this is uttishtatu is
Lot.
Lot lakara. Fran Moday.
Mitram swaha mama griham agachatu. Mitra swaha mama griham agachatu. friend come to my house tomorrow?
Mama griham agacchatu. Yeah. Agacchatu, in English, it might translate to please come.
Yes.
Yeah. So, mitram, hey mitra can also be said.
Hey, Mitra.
Bho mitra, hey mitra is better, or re mitra. Shvaha mama griham agacchatu. All right. So we know now what Sambodhana is. So next time when you get somewhere, when you get, I have a shloka here. Say that shloka, Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. We usually say this prayer every time before doing anything. So here we don't have the Visarga, Vakratundaha. We don't have Visarga. Now we need to start questioning, why is this like that? Vakratundaha. It's a name of Lord Ganesha, right? Because it is doing a Sambodhana. That's the reason the Visarga is not there, right? So we are calling the Lord Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha. Yeah. Nirvignam Kurume Deva. Again, we are calling Lord Ganesha. Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. Right? So that's the reason we don't have the Visarga. Otherwise, we should have the Visarga for everything. Because the Visarga is not there, so it's Sambodhana. So sometimes when we write some sentences, and if we don't put the Visarga, then it becomes Sambodhana. So there's a slight difference here, but it makes a lot of difference in the meaning as well. Divya Mode, you are on mute. I know you are talking something, but I can't hear you.
No, I was just saying, like, just a Visarga. I mean, we have to be very careful with.
That's right. Yeah, because sometimes I correct the homeworks, right? And I can see that the Visarga won't be there, and I go. Otherwise, it becomes Sambodhana or Pratipadika as well. All right, and the next shloka I've got here is Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. The shloka what we say every time. But when we say, we don't say Saraswati Namastubhyam Varada. See ya? Sita, Site, Varada, Varade. Kamarupini, we don't say that. We say Kamarupini. It's because we are doing a Sambodhana. It's not, we are not telling their names. We are calling. Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. So next time when you get these type of shlokas, you will know, oh, okay, this is calling out. Okay, so now we finished with the Sambodhana. All right, it's an easy one, not a tough one. So now we'll go to the pratyayas. All right, so Vibhakti, we did only Prathama, it's okay, we know. Sambodhana we have done. Next class we'll do Dvitiya Vibhakti. Tumun pratyaya, this is a pratyaya, a suffix. There are lots of suffixes. This is one of the suffix. Where we go, tumun is to do, in order to do something, or in order to do something. So it's like balakaha kriditum ichchati. The boy wants to play. Ichchati likes to play. All right. So I like to play. Aham kriditum ichchami. The tum will be to do, in order to do, that way. All right. Fran Mohodaya.
Chhatra patitum vidyalayam gacchati. The students go to school to read.
Yeah. Did you get
Be
it?
the girl student, right? Because otherwise it would be students means it should be gachanti, right?
Chhatra.
Chhatraah.
Chhatraah. It should be Chhatraah.
I thought the
Then
Visarga was
gachanti.
Lopa.
Then it should be gachanti, right?
Gachanti.
Ah, yes. Gachanti.
It should be, wait, I'll put it here. Gachanti. Okay. Good pickup. Okay. Right. Chhatraah patitum vidyalayam gachanti. Gachanti. Why did the E come here? All right. So that's the reason for why patitum. It's reason. Divya Moday,
Aham gatum na shaknomi. I'm unable to sing.
Suraksha Moday,
Gatum, what is the dhatu for that? Ga dhatu.
Ga. Suraksha Moday,
Okay. Bhavantah Sanskrite Vaktum Jananti Kulu.
Khalu.
Oh, sorry, Kalu.
Khalu.
Kalu.
Khalu.
You all know how to speak in Sanskritam, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's
Khalu is that makes a question. That makes this sentence a question. Khalu.
Kalu.
So you all know how to speak in Sanskritam, right?
So is Kalu direct translation for right?
Yeah. Khalu means like is it also? Sometimes it comes as is it. It's a question.
Va,
What do you
instead
call
of
the
va, we
question?
use it.
Tag. Huh?
Is that something like va?
Va. Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
you can say as va as well. Yeah. When you ask a question, you can just ask Khalu, and that will be okay as well. All right. So Tumun is I think we'll do some exercise as well. We'll see. So what it is, Kriditum to play, Patitum to read, Gatum to sing, Vaktum to speak. All right. I think we'll do some sentences with this. Franmo, they Kriditum. Can we do some so that I can know that you understood?
Chhatraha Kreditum Ichanti.
So what does that mean?
The children want to play.
Yeah. The students want to play. Chhatraha.
Yes.
Or balakaha, the boys. Yeah. Okay. Patitum. Divya Moday.
Aham patitum. Prabhate uttishtam.
What? Aham patitum?
प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठामि.
Somewhere. Very good.
श्वः परीक्षा भवति. So why so how do you say?
So
श्वः परीक्षा भवति. So अहं पठितुं
Tada? No? Is it like that?
प्रभाते उत्तिष्ठामि. So I wanted to.
Divya
Like
Mahoday, I
Tata?
can't hear you.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay.
Is
I
that
just
your
wanted to
mic
say.
is very...
I know,
very
it must be high. No, I just wanted to say like tomorrow there's an exam, so I want to get up morning. So श्वः परीक्षा भवति. So how do I say so?
Tatha, is it Mahodaye?
No,
Like
wait.
das?
I have it here. 1 second. I'll see this one. See that? Therefore.
Ataha.
Mm.
Ataha Ashwini.
We can say this one. Shwaha pariksha bhavati ataha.
अतः अहं पठितुं प्रभाते उत्तिष्ठामि.
Yeah. We did this last class, I think,
Yeah,
right?
अतः that's अतः यतः yeah we did it.
All right. Yeah. Very good. Nice. You try attempt to do more sentences. That's good. Suraksha Moday. Gatum.
Gatum. Sita Geetam Gatum.
Mm. Mm.
Like she
What?
wants to sing.
Yeah, you said it right. Sita Geetam Gatum. What? She likes, she wants,
Yeah, she wants.
she likes Ichhati.
Ichhati, okay. Ichhati.
Mahodaye, can you go back to the previous slide 1 second?
This one?
Yes. So aham gatum na shaknomi. Okay. I was just thinking, what would be the tumum for gam thatu? Gantum?
Gantum.
Gatum?
Gantum. Yeah.
Daniela.
We'll go through that later. I think it's here. See, we have all this one. Right. Vaktum. Aham Sanskritam Vaktum Shaknomi. All right. How was that one?
Na shaknomi.
No, why say na Shaknomi? Say Shaknomi.
Difficult. It's turpalam.
All right. So we have this Tuman Pratyaya, how it goes. Patati, patitum. Kridati, kriditum. Likhati, lekhitum. It's not likhitum, it's lekhitum. Some of the, this one changes. Likhati, lekhitum. Can we do a sentence with lekhitum? Any ideas?
Okay, how do I form a sentence to say Karthik is going to write exam tomorrow with Lekitham?
Okay, you try.
Okay.
Karthik. You can start from Karthik.
Karthik. Kartikaha. Shwaha. Kartikaha Shwaha. Pariksham.
Pariksham.
Likathum. Lekithum, sorry. Lekithum. Is that right? Did I miss something?
No. Lekhitum, what? Is going to write.
Gachami.
Gachami.
Bhavishyati?
What is?
Gachami would be like Uttama Purusha.
Is it Gachami or something else? Are you writing or is Karthik writing?
Karthik is writing.
Then what should it be?
Okay. Gachanti.
How many Kartiks are writing?
Only
Ekvachana.
one. Also, gachamaha.
Gachati.
You are saying we are going to write.
Oh, no, 1 minute.
Yeah, take your time, but yeah, we'll make a correct sentence of it.
Karthik is going to write. Gachanti.
Gachanti is too many Kartiks. 2 or more Kartiks.
That would be Bahuvachana. So Ekvachana would be, right?
What is Ekavachana of Gachanti?
Gachati.
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 Somewhere.
Okay.
So you made a sentence. You can tell everyone now.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's nice. Okay. Right. Next, Gayati Gatum. Vadati Vaktum. See that it changes. We need to remember this. Vadati Vadatum. No, it's Vaktum. Chalati Chalitum. All right. Gachati Gantum. When we frame sentences, we'll get that automatically. So it's not too many things like, and now you are reading this and then you will write the assignments as well. You will get it. Shrunoti Shrotum. All right. So any sentences with Shrunoti? Can you think of any sentences? With Shrunoti.
Mama Mata Mantram Shrotum Ichati.
Mata.
How can I say loves instead of wants? Loves.
No, what do you say? Mama Mata? Stotram?
Mantram.
Mantram.
Yeah,
Okay,
or
mantram,
stotram.
shrotum.
I said ichati, but I want to say loves here, to hear mantras.
Loves, what do you say?
Because I can just remember sneha, but that's namapadam.
It's not coming now.
It's okay.
The word is not coming now.
Ichati works.
Ichati works, it's likes, but yeah, loves. No, prema comes through to me. I can't think of that word for now.
Would it be prinayati? No. Okay.
There is a word. I'll let you know later. Okay, pashyati drashtum. See, that is a drastic change. Pashyati drashtum. Something aham chalachitra drashtum gachami. Something like that. Dhavati dhavitum. Shaknoti shaktum. Pathayati pathayitum. Anybody wants to read this once quickly? Quick read.
Patati patitum, kridati kriditum, likhati lekhitum, gayati gatum, vadati vaktum, chalati chalitum, gachati gantum, shrunoti shrotum, pashyati drishtum, drashtum, dhavati dhavitum, shaknoti shaktum, pathayati pathayitum.
Next slide.
Dadati, datum, pipati, patum, karoti, kartum, nrityati, nartitum, janati, jnatum, smarati, smartum.
So there are so many changes here now. With dadati, dadati is always, there's a dadati, karoti, all these are a bit, but the tuman pratyaya is easier. It's not that difficult. Once we know, it's easy. Okay, we'll do some, this one here, abhyasa, so that we will be a bit perfect with this. So, Fran Mode.
Gayakaha Ganam
Ganam.
Ichati?
Ganam is the word where you have to put tuman pratyaya in ganam.
Can you repeat the instruction?
Okay. Gayakaha ganam ichati. All right. I'll give you an example with this. Gayakaha ganam is the word which we need to convert into tuman pratyaya. Tumun pratyaya. Yeah. So what I do is here Gayakaha gatum ichati.
Okay.
So because I have changed this word into gatum.
Okay. So sa nartanam shaknoti sa nartum shaknoti.
Here.
Is it Nrityati Nartitum.
Nartitum. Yeah.
That's hard.
Nartitum. So we can go through this again. Dadati datum, pipati patum, karoti kartum, rityati nartitum, janati jnatum, smarati smartum. All right, we'll go back here. Okay, Divya Modi.
Kridakah dhavitum ichchati.
Samyak. Suraksha Modi.
Sorry. Saha samacharam darshanam. Okay, so darshanam will be darshat. Sorry?
No, you say it. I'll think I'll confuse you more. No, it was Pashyati in the last slide.
Darshatum. Darshatum.
That's
Duradarshanam Pashyati.
And I gave you an example for Pashyati.
For Pashyati, it will be Drashtum.
Samyak. So?
Okay, so Saha Samacharam Drashtum Duradarshanam. Okay.
Pashyati.
Pashyati. Okay.
So what's the meaning? So Samacharam Drashtum Duradarshanam Pashyati. What's the meaning?
Duradarshanam is TV. Samacharam news. She is watching news on TV.
Is it she?
He is. He is watching news on the television.
Drashtum. Saha Samacharam Drashtum Duradarshanam Pashyati.
Okay.
So what you said is right, but because this is a Tuman Pratyaya, Drashtum has come. So what's the exact translation?
He wants to watch the news, or he's going to watch the news on the television.
Fran Moday, what is this? The translation?
He is watching. No, I cannot do the pashyati with the drashtum because that's to watch also, right?
Yeah, but
watch the-
why are we saying drashtum? Samacharam drashtum duradarshanam pashyati.
In order to watch the news.
Yeah.
So he's watching television, right? In order to watch the news.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
that's the exact translation.
Like that's his purpose, to watch the news.
Drashtum is in order to watch the news, he's watching the TV.
TV. Okay.
Did you get it? Did you get that meaning of that tumun pratyaya drashtum?
Yes, Mahoday.
Fran Moday.
Sayankale. Sayankale. Uddayane. Udyane. Chalanam ichati. So sayankale udyane chalitum ichati.
Yeah.
So she wants to go to the park, to the garden. Udyane is the park, right?
Yeah. Sayankale.
In the morning?
In the evening. Sayam. So there's two words in that. Sayam is evening. Kale is the time.
Time.
Right? In the time of the evening. Sayankale. It when you mix the two words, it becomes Sayankale. So Sa Sayankale Udyane Chalitum Ichchati. She in the evening in the garden walking likes. it's like that. So she likes to walk in the
garden in the evening.
All right, Divya Moday.
शिक्षकः संस्कृतं पाठनं विद्यालयं गच्छति. शिक्षकः संस्कृतं पाठयितुं विद्यालयं गच्छति. The teacher goes to the school to teach Sanskrit.
Good. Suraksha Moday.
Bhaktaha Bhagavad Gitam Shravanam Ichanti. So Bhaktaha Bhagavad Gita.
There is Bhaktaha. There are many.
Bhaktaha Bhagavad Gita. Is it
what was Shravanam?
Shrotum.
Shrunoti. Shrotum.
Ichami. What is it? Ichanti.
So, what's the meaning?
The devotee likes to read. Devotees like to read the Bhagavad Gita.
to read, right? Listen to it.
Sorry. Divya Mahodaya, are you talking?
Yeah, sorry. I mean, it's not to read, right? It is to listen to.
Listen, is it?
Listen. Yeah. Yeah.
Shravanam is hearing.
Listen.
Shravanam is listening. Yeah. Okay. Pran Modi.
Dhanikaha Bhikshukaya Dhanam Danam Ichati. Dhanikaha Bhikshukaya Dhanam Dhatum Ichati. No?
Ichati. Yeah.
Ichati.
Datum
Ah,
ichati.
okay.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, vocabulary. Dhanikaha. Is it a name or?
Dhanikaha is a rich man.
Oh, okay.
Dhanikaha.
The rich man wants to give gifts and Bhikshukaya.
Dhanam is money.
Money. Ah, okay. Money and Bhikshukaya. I do not know. To
Bhikshukaya means a beggar. Beggar.
beggar.
To the beggar.
To the beggar.
All right. Divya Mahodaya.
अर्चकः अर्चनं प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठति. अर्चकः अर्चितुं प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठति.
It comes as archayitum.
Archayitum. Okay.
Like pathayitum. You said pathayitum properly. That.
Okay. Archayitum. Okay. So Archakaha is devotee in order to.
Archakaha is?
Archakaha is devotee.
No.
Okay.
Archakaha, archayitum. What is archayitum means? Archanam means?
To do the, to pray
Worship.
Worship.
So
Okay.
archakaha
is worshipper.
The priest.
Priest. Okay. It's most priest. Okay.
So it's the same with dhanikaha. Dhanam is money. Dhanikaha is the one who has
the money. Okay.
So archakaha,
one who does the worship. Archakaha archayitam. So in order to worship, the priest gets up early in the morning.
Suraksha Mahodaya.
Shishuhu Dugdam Panam Ichati. So
Panam is pibati.
So okay, Shishuhu Dugdam Patum Ichati.
Very good. Yeah. So what is the meaning?
The child likes to drink milk.
Yeah. Shishuhu, baby. Fran Mahodaya.
Balika Abhyasam Lekhanam Lekhaniyam. No, Lekhanim Anayati Balaka
Balika.
Balika Abhyasam Lekitum Lekhanim Anayati. So the girl Nayati is to lead, but Anayati
Anayati is bringing.
Okay, so the girl is bringing a pencil in order to write her homework.
Yeah, right. In order to write. Lekhitum. In order to write. Good. Divya Moday.
वयं संस्कृते सम्भाषणं करणं शक्नुमः वयं संस्कृते सम्भाषणं कर्तुं शक्नुमः So we are able to converse in Sanskritam. So kartum here would be like we are able to.
Kartum. Yeah. Yeah. Samskrite.
In Sanskrit.
In Sanskrit. That will be Saptami Vibhakti. Samskrite.
Okay, we are able to have conversation in Sanskrit.
Okay, I think the time is over. Otherwise, we could have done this. That's all the shabdas. We can do one or two. We'll do only one. That's enough for now. So this is like in the school days, we had to, whoever has done Sanskrit in school days, we had to memorize the whole thing, everything at that time. So we would know everything. Here we had to start with Akaranta Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha and then start everything. Pratama Vibhakti Ramaha Ramo Ramaha. Sambodhana He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha. Dvitiya Ramam Ramo Raman. Tritiya Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Chaturthi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Panchami Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Shashti Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. Saptami Rame Ramayoho Rameshu. So we used to go Rama Ramo Ramaha, He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha, Ramam Ramo Raman, Ramena Ramabhyam Ramehi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah, Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam, Rame Ramayoho Rameshu. Fully, we used to memorize fully so that we know everything while forming the sentence. So if we do this, it's better. But if we can't do this, we have our technology anyhow. We can see and do it. But I think it's better to memorize. So can we do this? All three of you, can you please say this? So we'll have it, at least we'll have that in mind. And this week, if we memorize this, we can go to the next Shabda. Yeah. We can start with Rama and then you can say any Namapada, not a problem, with Akaranta Pullinga. All right. So not only Rama, we can do any Krishna or something different. Fran Mohoday.
Akaranta Pumlinga Rama Shabdaha Prathama Ramaha Ramau Ramaha Sampodhana He Rama He Ramau He Ramaha Twitiya Ramam Ramau Raman Tritiya Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi Chaturthi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Panchami Ramat Ramabhyam Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Shashti Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam Saptami Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Divya Mohoday, do you have any word in the mind? Any Namapada?
Since you are saying Krishna, so saying
Okay.
Akaranta पुल्लिङ्गः कृष्णशब्दः प्रथमा कृष्णः कृष्णौ कृष्णाः सम्बोधना हे कृष्ण हे कृष्णौ हे कृष्णाः द्वितीया कृष्णं कृष्णौ कृष्णान् तृतीया कृष्णेन कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णैः चतुर्थी कृष्णाय कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णेभ्यः पञ्चमी कृष्णात् कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णेभ्यः षष्ठी कृष्णस्य कृष्णयोः कृष्णानां सप्तमी कृष्णे कृष्णयोः कृष्णेषु.
Samyak. While writing, we have to be particular about this. Ramena. All right. With Ramena, Ramana, we have to put Dirga, not Dirga, what is it? Big na. All right. With Krishna, what happens? Krishnena. The small na comes. Krishnena. Krishna Nam. The big na doesn't come. Small na comes.
I think it was called Natwa, the rule, Natwa.
Natvam.
Natvam also, the R comes, Rikara comes there, right? Sh also comes there, right? For Krishna also.
Yeah.
So na, it should be na only, right?
No, with Krishna, it doesn't come. Krishnena only comes. It doesn't come as Krishnena. Double na doesn't come there.
Because, but Natvam actually says like if it is Sh Kara, then also.
But with Krishna, it doesn't come.
That's an exception, is it?
Yeah. Because
when I was saying this also, I suddenly that.
Nas, right? Krishnena.
Okay. Correct. Yeah.
It's a bit. That's fine. Yeah. Suraksha Modaye. Do you want to say Shiva? Why to leave Shiva?
Yeah, I'll say Shiva. Akarantah pullingah Shiva shabdah pratama vibhakti Shivah Shivo Shivaha
Shivau.
Shivau.
Amau. Shivau.
Okay. Shivau Shivaha Sambodhana vibhakti He Shiva He Shivau He Shivaha Dvitiya vibhakti Shivam Shivau Shivan Tritiya vibhakti Shivena Shiva Shivabhyam Shivai Shivaihe. Okay.
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Chaturthiya vibhakti Shivaya Shivabhyam Shivebhyah. Panchami vibhakti Shivat Shivabhyam Shivebhyah. Shashti vibhakti Shivasya Shivayoh Shivanam. Saptami vibhakti Shive Shivayoh Shiveshu.
Samyak. Right. We'll do this Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas in more words. Next class, I'll put more words so that we can go through this again and again and again, and we'll get it. Not a problem. All right. I think we'll stop here. There are so many slides, but that's okay. All right. Okay. Fan Mode, can you please read the Mangala Shloka?
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु Ma kashit tukhapak bhavet. Om asato ma sat gamaya. Tamaso ma yotir gamaya. Mrityorma mritat gamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.
Okay.